Okay, there it is. My first 1,000 miles. And the last 923.8 miles on average of those 1,000 miles. So that's pretty close to the 1,000. 14.7 miles to the gallon in this 3.6 liter 2023 Gladiator Mojave. And hey, that's what it is. It's mixed driving in the Dallas and the east portion of Dallas area near Forney and Crandall and Kaufman County here in Texas. Mixed driving. There you have it, less than 15 miles to the gallon, and I love this truck. 1,000 miles. Let's take a look at her outside. Okay, 1,000 miles on the Gladiator Mojave here in the state of Texas after what, a couple weeks now. I don't have my tags yet. That's quite all right. Doesn't hurt my feelings not having the Texas tags on her just yet. But I told myself I would do a 1,000-mile review, and yeah, it just didn't take very long to get her. But 1,000 miles, she's absolutely zero problems. 14.7 miles to the gallon overall with those 33-inch Falcon Wild Peaks as the tires. I think one thing I'm going to do relatively quickly is find myself perhaps some darker lug nuts to get those factory chrome ones out of the picture, kind of complete the look of what this is. So 1,000 miles, 14.7 miles to the gallon, largely because, hey, this has got quite the aerodynamics. Yeah. The aerodynamics of a brick, a big brick going down the road, but a fun one all the same. So that's it. I just there has been zero problems. I did take it through the car wash now twice, which I don't like doing, but because I can fold in the mirrors and I got that little shorty antenna, it makes it really good. It kind of tries to spray underneath, but doesn't do a great job. But I don't care. I'm gonna try to hand wash it when I can. But it made for a quick taking care of the business. My rough country Matt still doing her job. I'm gonna do the spray and bed liner. I will, as it was counseled by one of my few viewers, and I appreciate that that their spray and bed liner was worth every penny. So I think I'm going to do that and keep the rough country. Why? Because hey, just in case I'm tossing some other stuff in the back of the bed, why even trash this the spray and bed liner when I have that excellent rough country bed mat to take care of business as well. Just absolutely nothing really to say. I do have LED replacement bulbs from Oracle coming in for the headlamps and for the fog lamps. I actually think they're expected to be in today, so I am going to show an install of those lights and before and after kind of a video just to share with anybody who's interested. I think that might be interesting to see. Really just a cheaper route than asking for the Mopar ones. Anyways, there she is, 1,000 miles, zero issues, and 14.7 miles to the gallon. Mixed driving, Dallas and east of Dallas in the country, Kaufman County, Texas. That's where we're at.